So, what are some things you should know when using a physical therapist? Physical therapists are healthcare professionals that have specific training in treating movement and pain disorders using manual therapy, specific therapeutic exercise, modalities, and patient education. This means that if you have pain, pain with movement, difficulty with daily activities, a sports injury, or even difficulty with simple tasks like walking, getting out of a chair, getting out of bed, a physical therapist will likely be able to help you. Additionally, we treat all body parts. So, a therapist is someone who can help you if you have neck pain, back pain, leg pain, pain in your arms, even headaches or jaw pain. In most states, you can access physical therapy without a physician's referral. In Texas specifically, you can see a therapist for 10 business days before needing a referral from a physician. Your physical therapist will always conduct an initial evaluation on the first visit to understand your problem, then design a plan of care meant to address your impairments and help you reach your goals.